I mean, honestly, it's shiny, looks nice, and I'm excited to put it on.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of KhanFlicks here at Omega. Once again, checking out the Castrol Supra, in which we have a brand new upgrade from PHR. This year's the 4-piece aluminum billet pulley set.
Yep.
Josh, you want to walk us through them?
Yeah, so this is pretty much a direct replacement from the OEM, so there's no need to actually change the belt diameter or anything like that. Let's check this out though. So this right here, we have the polished finish, which is a very nice, super shiny finish. As you can see right here, this is for the water pump.
We got one here for the power steering pump. And again, it also has an engravement on here that says Powerhouse Racing. They have different kind of textures and finishes that are based on your own preference.
Yep. This one right here is for the alternator. They even send you one for the alternator, which is pretty good, very nice.
Then we have an idler. Again, very nice, high quality grade. And the most important thing is that it's a direct replacement.
Yeah.
As the diameter of them are exactly the same. These are lightweight, but overall making it quite easy to go ahead and replace. And then in fact, you don't need any kind of tune.
I mean, honestly, it's shiny, looks nice, and I'm excited to put them on.
All right, yeah, so let's go ahead and see what these look like on the car.
Let's do it.
All right, are we all installed?
Yep, we're all ready to go. It's kind of hard to see it, but the pulleys are there, all the shiny parts, as you can see.
Yeah. We had the electric fan. You probably see it a little bit more. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. But I mean, you can still see it kind of right here with the power steering pump.
Yeah, and just a direct replacement, which is nice, and the same diameter as the original. So you really don't have to do anything else in terms of tuning wise or anything like that. But yeah, direct replacement. Pretty cool. What you think, Josh?
They're sick. I love them.
All right. Well, with that said, if you guys have any questions about them, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Take care now.
Bye.